Friends, imagine this. After World War II, you're not an engineer, not a designer, not a race car driver. You're just a craftsman from Munich named Michael Hoffmann. One day you wake up and think, why not build a car from junk? That's how the Hoffmann 1951 was born. A car that breaks all the laws of physics and common sense. Hand-built. Preferably don't try this at home. Michael assembled this beast from 1949 to 1951, using parts found in hardware stores, junkyards, and maybe even grandma's attic. The engine? A single-cylinder, two-stroke, air-cooled 200cc engine producing about 6.5 horsepower. Not just weak, almost insulting. The transmission is a 3-speed manual with a reverse gear, pushing this thing to a maximum speed of about 28 miles per hour. But the real kicker? Rear-wheel steering. Yes, you heard me right. The car steers with its rear wheels. Literally. The front is just a massive frame standing there watching the impending disaster. How does it drive? Badly. Really badly. Driving this wonder has been described as a drunk leaving a bar. The steering wheel connects to a huge kingpin that moves the engine and rear wheels sideways. This creates a cocktail of insanely wide front end, super short wheelbase, and total instability. Even forklifts laugh at this steering nightmare. The interior? Well, there was one. Because of the central placement of this rotating hell, front passengers had barely any room. The original seat was replaced with 2 tiny ones just to squeeze inside. Comfort wasn't a priority. Survival was. The design? Cartoonish, but real. The asymmetrical roofline and wonky windshield look like mistakes, but restorer Gottfried Gerhauser insisted it's an original idea and it stays. So it did, in 1996, and we believe them, because who else would leave such a thing unchanged? Bottom line, not a car, a manifesto. One and only copy, no taxes, no license, no stability, but full of soul. Hoffmann 1951 is a reminder why in car building, some rules are worth following. If you like this eccentric piece of automotive disaster, hit like and subscribe, because we've got tons more weird cars and even weirder people who made them.